Welcome you all again in my new video. My dear friends, myself Sumit Pathak working as assistant professor in Sinhagad Engineering College, Solapur. In this video, I will give you information about how we can compile daily attendance into a month. Now here you can see the attendance I have taken on daily basis, whatever the lecture I have conducted, and later on all these attendance which I have been downloaded. Now here you can see I have opened Microsoft Team, then in it I have gone through calendar where my scheduled lecture is there. Now just see, my scheduled lecture is there. Now I am going to conduct that lecture. After getting joined in my session, then I am going to conduct that session or lecture, and I am going to download the attendance through here show participants. Now once the participant list is being opened, then I am going to download the attendance form. This downloaded attendance is in the CSV format. Now here you can see the attendance which I have downloaded on daily basis. After it, here are the day wise attendance. See, it will start, suppose for example, from 23rd July, then 27th, then 30. See the daily attendance which I have conducted. Now see, here is the attendance list which I will in which I will get the report when the students will join and left the session on the particular day with time also. In this way, if you see at bottom here, sessions I have conducted on various dates. Now what we have to do to compile all these attendance, and this is the best way, we have to publish the attendance for students information. Every day attendance, it have three columns: full name, user, action, and so it means here is the name of the students, when he joined, left, on which date the session was conducted, and when the students join and when he is being left out. Similarly happens for every session. I have compiled all these attendance. See here, see for 23rd July, here are the three columns. Then again for 27th, here are the three columns, and similarly that is being carried out for every day. Similarly, you can see all these attendance for individual day or for each day, and it is being compiled in one sheet. I have compiled all these attendance in only in the 23rd July up to 20th August. After getting all these attendance in one sheet, now here you can see the attendance muster. We have to make one attendance muster. In it we have put a roll number and name of students. X-axis at top we put here the dates, respective dates. Now the next theme is, by keeping alt tab button we are going to shift. Now just see, by using our this as a reference sheet, we can put all the attendance in attendance muster here. So what is the next step? Next step is only just what we have to do, that is just to find the name. Suppose this is the student's name, I have copied it, then I want to find this name in my attendance muster. So Control F, I will put his name and I will find out. So just to see the name of the students, here I will get. Now the simple thing is, here also only what we are going to do, we will just click on find next and we will get attendance. Now just see here on 23rd 7th this student is there. Later on the 37th he is also present. 13/8 he is present. Now one more thing that we have to do, instead of searching by rows, if we are going to search it with the help of column, then we will get benefit. That this benefit is the students will directly get. Now just see here what is the benefit I will get. Now just the cursor will start to search the students or that candidate by column wise. So important thing is, here we are going to make it by column, search by column. So this student is present on 27th July, next on 13th July, on 6th August, then on 13th August, on 17th August. So in this way I will get that the student is present up to 17th August. So what will I do? Just I am going to put here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7. It means in a simple way I am going to compile all his attendance. So it will take only 1 minute. What we have to do? Only just compile all the attendance in one sheet. After compiling the attendance, next is make one attendance sheet where name of that particular students, but by using search, by using column. So in this way we will give the information and we are going to put the information here. Now so we are going to find out for another student also. Just see here, Control C. After getting Control C, here Control V, that is paste, and then moving with the help of Alt tab on the next sheet and here search. Now after getting search, we will get the student is here. Now I am going to mark the attendance by pressing again Alt tab. Then I am going to shift to the next our previous reference sheet, and then only by clicking find next. See, this student is present on 23rd July. After that again he present on 27th. Next you can see here on the 30th, on 13th, 6th August, 10th August. He is present on 13th August. So in this way we are going to put his attendance. It means it will take very little time to compile all the attendance, and we can publish the attendance. We can publish the attendance month wise. Now you can see that for a month I have covered the attendance of the students within a short duration of time, and this attendance I can publish, I can print out and inform to students and their respective parents also. So thank you for watching this video.